Welcome to know about ClickFunnels review. ClickFunnels business in a box. Step number 1. ClickFunnels. Your business will not only run in ClickFunnels, but ClickFunnels will be the first product that you learn to promote. Don't worry. If you follow the steps, you should have ClickFunnels paid for before your free trial even ends. Step number 2. Add funnel and adjust. Make sure you are logged into your ClickFunnels account in the same browser you are in right now. Then click the button below and watch the entire business funnel appear in your ClickFunnels account. Asterisk note: the funnel has been slightly optimized to perform even better. No matter what, your copy will be the most recent and up-to-date version, regardless of when you watch these trainings. Click the link below in this video for more updates. Step number 3. Sign up for more affiliate programs free. Since we talk about these traffic sources in the traffic section, it's important that you sign up to be an affiliate so you can then plug in your affiliate links inside the buttons. Yes, you will also be making money off 3 other businesses besides ClickFunnels. Watch the $$ roll in. Final step: change affiliate links. Now you have your entire business in a box hooked up, and you just need to change all of the button links to your affiliate links throughout this page. As you begin to have people go through this training from the various ways you promote it, they will begin to follow the steps, so you're earning affiliate commissions. It's important you become an affiliate for each product listed in this training, otherwise you would be leaving money on the table. Thanks for watching this video.